Good morning, everyone. It is Wednesday morning, and it is What I Made Wednesday. First off, I want to show you a haul that I got from Echo Park. So let's go ahead and start with the warehouse sale. I did get the dots and stripes gingham paper. I did get 2 packs of that. And then the Dots and Stripes Spring Collection Kit. We got 2 packs of that. And then Welcome Easter. I did get 2 packs of that. And then Welcome Spring. And then My Favorite Easter. Okay? Let's put it up there. And then I did purchase the mystery mini box or whatever it was called. I can't remember. So here is what is in that. So this is telling our story, the ephemera from that, and then puffy stickers. I haven't gone through this. I will probably do a flip through later. And then Endless Summer, the ephemera pack, and then a sticker book from Telling Our Story, and then the chipboard accents. This is cute. Write it down, that little typewriter. And then it also came with the paper, the coordinating solid paper, Telling Our Story. And then Endless Summer, that pack. And then Checkerboard Spring. I didn't see this. This is from 2024. Okay, and then the Telling Our Story pack. And I'll have to go, one day I'll do a flip through if you want me to. Just comment below if you want me to do a flip through. I'm not today. I have to hurry up and make the video because I have a construction crew coming over. So, yeah, and it's very, very noisy. It's been fun working from home with all the noise. Okay, so I have been working on Cards for Cubs, which is an organization that I told you about in a previous video. Hopefully I will remember to put the link on there. But anyway, I'm making cards for donation, and it's either encouragement or birthday cards. And I'm not going to go through all of them, but I signed up for 100 cards, and that's something I've been working on this week. So here's 10 birthday cards I made. 20 and then 30. I signed up for 50 birthday cards. I've made 30 this week. Yeah, I kind of waited till the last minute, and I shouldn't have done that, but I did. So then I made a bunch of encouragement cards, and I have quite a few here of encouragement cards. But these go to kids that are in the foster care system across the United States. So just to give you a heads up, and they're out of Arlington, Texas, so it's local to me, and that is awesome that, you know, I'm supporting an organization locally as well. But I thought I would share that with you. The website is cardsforcubs.org. cardsforcubs.org. Okay, in case you want to join. All right, so here are some things that I made, other things that I made this week. Made these little notebooks. I did a tutorial on that on last Friday. And I made these. Super cute. And I made these. Lots of little junior legal pads. You saw these. Okay. I'm sure you saw these. Lots of them. And I ordered, no, I haven't made these two, but I ordered some bags to put them in. And I will do that when I get those. Okay. So let me move those aside and show you what I made. Remember my little strawberry album? Well, let me show you the other one first. So here's my little Emma's for Mouse album that I made earlier. Well, I made my first charm I've ever made. And let me unhook this. This was the very first charm I made. And I can't get it undone. Okay. So it has all kinds of stuff on it. Let me get this out of the way. Uh-oh. But it has all kinds of stuff on it. I just loaded it with charms, and it's an Easter charm, obviously. And this was the very first one I made. I've already had a bead come off of it, but, you know, I'm pretty proud that I did my first one. And I watched a tutorial from Carolina Crafts. It's probably a 2-year, I think her video was like 2 years old, and I watched it. But I'm going to do an Easter journal. I'm going to put it on my bunny journal that I haven't completed. Yeah. Anyway, I'll probably put it on the bunny journal and, you know, use it on that. But these things are addictive. I love it. I use that bead wrap tool thing. I can't remember the name of it. But, yeah. And remember my strawberry album? My strawberry mini album? Well, I made a strawberry themed. That was my second one. There's a little strawberry on the end. There's little strawberry charms all over it. I put some little daisies on it. And just look at that. That was fun. But that's a strawberry themed dangle, whatever you call these things. But anyway, here's the two. Number one, my first one I made, and then my second one. I haven't had any beads fall off this strawberry one yet. But do you make them fuller? Do I need to add more beads? Or, you know, I don't know. This is my first time, so I don't know. So this is number one, the first one I made, and this is the second one. Look at this. It has bunny with carrots on them and everything. But anyway, I'm going to make this a real quick video today. I have to get it up. I want to do it before they come over to do construction. They're doing construction on my kitchen. Oh, I know what I wanted to show you. My dear husband loves his Ryobi tools, and he does buy used ones. Well, he went and got this glue gun for me. Oh my gosh. This thing is awesome. Wireless, cordless. I just love it. But anyway, wanted to let you see my new tool. I got a Ryobi glue gun sitting there on my table now. Anyway, that was fun. It was very nice of him to do that. But anyway, let me know if you want me to do a flip through of the Echo Park paper. It will probably be later because all this construction going on. But anyway, I found something. This was at Michael's Createology embellishment pack. There's 2 packs for Easter, and I thought I would share that with you. I did get it for 40% off. So look at the little Easter inclusions. This would be good for shakers. These are little flowers. And then these are bunnies and little hexagon shapes, and then chicks and circles, and then these little balls, and then these little clear. These would be great for shakers for sure. And then this one has little orange, and then eggs and little flowers, and then I don't know, these pink hexagons, and then these are leaves and bows and flowers, and then just round circles, and then some little gems. Okay, but I thought I'd point those out to you. These were the only two that I saw. Anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. Oh, I know what I did get too. I did buy, these are from Michael's, the foam stickers, and I thought they were super cute. So it shows here what's inside, and I think I might put some of them on those cards for kids. Maybe the flowers, and that's it. You don't do Easter cards or anything like that. Only encouragement and birthday. So, but anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. We are so close to having 200 subscribers. We have 199 subscribers, and once I do get 200 subscribers, I am going to do another giveaway for Michael's gift card for $25. Anyway, you guys, let me know if you have any questions or anything you want to see. If you want me to do a flip through of the Echo Park paper, I'll be glad to do that. You guys have a great day. Talk to you later. See you Friday. Okay, bye.